My husband's Haitian and I'm Puerto Rican, and once a week we like to make something from our cultures, and tonight I made Haitian stewed chicken with some zaboka. First we gotta marinate our chicken. I have 4 drumsticks and chicken breasts that are skinless. You may not wash your chicken, but we do, so we're gonna use juice of a lime and juice of a lemon. Add some vinegar and some salt. Really wash every piece of meat. Add some boiling water. Rinse this out. For the marinade, we're gonna add about 2 heaping spoons of ippies, or 3. Garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and all-purpose seasoning, chicken bouillon, and some pepper. You can add salt, but everything in this already has enough salt. I almost forgot the most important part. You're gonna take each piece of meat and slice some holes. This is gonna go in the fridge to marinate for at least 45 minutes. While the chicken's marinating, I'm just gonna start dicing up everything I need. I wanna keep them long. Half a red pepper, half an orange pepper, half a green pepper. Do half an onion. I'm gonna add my chicken to a pan on medium-high, and I'm just gonna let the chicken sweat for about 15 minutes, so it's about 80% cooked. It should look something like this when it's done. Place them into fry. When your chicken starts to look like this, you can take it out. Instead of frying, you can always put them in the air fryer or bake them. The broth from the chicken sweating, put to the side because I'm gonna use it. To make the sauce, I'm gonna add some tomato paste, ippies, some diced up tomatoes, splash of oil. Once the tomatoes have cooked down, I'm adding my peppers and onions. Add the seasonings that you used on the chicken. And I would add a Scotch bonnet, but my toddler's eating this, so I'm not gonna make it spicy. Go ahead and add your chicken back in. Add the broth that you made earlier and some water just to cover the chicken. I'm adding parsley, thyme, and cilantro on top. I'm gonna let this simmer for about 20 minutes. Of course, we need some zaboka. This is what it's looking like. Greedy.